Hello, dear students. Today we will discuss about eating for weight control, a healthy weight, the pitfalls of dieting, food intolerance, and food myth. Under this, today we will cover meaning of healthy weight and methods for controlling body weight, healthy body weight. Usually, an individual who has healthy weight leads healthy life with a reduced risk of diseases. It means that if an individual has a healthy weight, he can lead a healthy life. On the other hand, if an individual has an unhealthy weight, be underweight or overweight, he or she is not able to lead a healthy life. According to National Institute of Health, a healthy weight is considered to be the one that is between 19 to 25 BMI. If the BMI is between 25 to 29 for adult is considered overweight. If the BMI is 30 or greater than this, the person is considered to be obese. In simple words, it can be also said that a healthy weight is that weight which lowers an individual's risk for various health problems such as health diseases, stroke, high blood pressure, diabetes, etc. There are usually two popular methods to find out or calculate the healthy weight, that is height and weight chart and body mass index, that you call BMI. Height and weight chart tells about the healthy body weight, whereas another method is based on BMI, using which one can come to know whether one has healthy weight or not. As you already read in your previous classes, that the formula for calculating BMI is weight in kgs upon height in meters square. So this is the formula for measuring BMI. Now we will talk about the methods to control healthy weight. First is set an appropriate goal. For losing body weight, you should set an appropriate goal. That is, how much weight you want to shed or lose. While setting a goal, you should know about your capacities and limitations. Your goal should be achievable. You may set your goal for 1 month. Take a pledge that you will lose 1 kg per month, depending on how much excess weight you have. After that, you can further set your goal for weight control. So, first step is set an appropriate goal. For losing a body weight, you should set an appropriate goal. You should set in your mind, you should promise to yourself that you should lose your body weight, and you should set how much you want to lose your weight, or you want to shed or lose the weight. Then when you set your goal, then you should know about your capacities and limitations, how much you can give the load to your body, and how much is your limitations and how much is your capacity. Then your goal should be achievable if you may set it for 1 month, and take a pledge that just set an average that you should lose 1 kg weight per month, or it's depending upon the weight, how much weight you want to lose, or how much excess weight you have. So it is depend upon that. Then only after that you can further set your goal for weight control. Fine. Now next is lay stress on health, not on weight. It is well known fact that losing weight for health rather than appearance can make it easier to set responsible goals. From the point of view of health, you should make efforts to achieve or maintain a body mass index between the range of 18.5 and 24.9. If your BMI or waist measures beyond these limits, you may be at risk of contracting various diseases. So, from the point of view of health, try to maintain these limits. Now, second point is lay stress on health, not on weight. That means you should maintain your health, not losing your weight. So it is well known fact that losing weight for health rather than appearance can make it easier to set responsible goal. That means you should lose your weight for your health, not for your looks, not for your appearance. Then only you are responsible for your goal. Then then another point of view of health, you should make efforts to achieve or maintain a body mass index between 18.5 to 24.9. So you should maintain your BMI between 18.9 to 24.9. Don't judge yourself by your appearance. You just control or just set your goal for improving your health, not considering your looks. So, from the point of view of health, try to maintain these limits. Next is cut your calories. Keep a plan ready to get back on the track if your body weight begins to exceed the required level. It is a simple plan to follow. Just cut or subtract only 100 calories a day. In this way, you can return to your set goal. So, cut your calories, the next point. In this, make a plan according to the body weight and whatever which begins to exceed the required level. Simple, make a plan to just subtracting your cut your calories by 100 calories per day. Then only you can return to your set goal. Don't think like you will just avoid sugar, avoid carbohydrates, potatoes, rice and all, and you suddenly what you will do, your weight will decreasing very fast, but at a point it will not, like at the beginning it will decreasing very fast, but after some time it will not decrease, because whatever calories you are cutting your calories more than 100 in the initial stage. So make a plan like this, that you are cutting the calories by 100 calories per day. Then next is active lifestyle. An active dynamic lifestyle plays a pertinent role in controlling weight. School children should prefer to walk to school instead of going by car or motorbike. Instead of elevators, they should take stairs. If they want to switch off the TV, they should not use a remote, but should do it physically. They should not watch TV for more than 2 hours. Instead of watching TV for more hours, they should play outdoor games. In this way, they can lead an active lifestyle. which will be beneficial in their weight control. So, active lifestyle, keeping your lifestyle active is the most important point to be fit and healthy, and it is beneficial for controlling the weight. Next is bring out support. No doubt you can lose or maintain your weight without anybody's support. But if you get support from other people, it makes the process of losing weight easier and more pleasant. Tell people who are close to you about your intention that you are serious and committed at losing weight. Tell them that you would appreciate their support. In fact, having a support for a partner really works wonders for many people. Promising to meet a partner for a regularly scheduled gym time is a great way to stick to a workout routine. Such type of support can be sought for lifetime. It will help you in maintaining your body weight. So bring out the support is also a method, so that you will be in a habit of your partner or your friend that you want to meet, or with whom you come, if you feel comfortable and more pleasant. Tell people who are close to you about your intention that you are serious and committed to losing weight, and tell them that you would appreciate that their support. So having a support of a partner really works wonder for many persons. So promise to meet partner for every regularly scheduled at gym time and or a routine workout. So such type of support can be sought for lifetime. So it helps in the maintaining your weight. Next is yogic exercises. Yogic exercises can help in controlling as well as maintaining proper weight. For example, pranayam and yogic asanas are helpful in controlling weight. As a matter of fact, research studies have proved that stress and tension tend to increase weight. Meditative asanas are beneficial in relieving stress and tension. Therefore, yogic exercises can also be used for keeping a good control on weight. So, yogic exercises is the very old and very popular practice for controlling a weight. So, pranayam and yogic asanas are very helpful for controlling weight. And research studies also proved that stress and tension can be cured by meditation and meditative asanas. So, yogic exercises can be used for keeping a good control on weight. Next is avoid fatty food. If you want to lose or maintain weight, you should avoid fatty foods in your diet. Fats are known to have maximum number of calories. These extra calories will be accumulated in your body. So, avoid fatty food. If you want to remain healthy, you should avoid fatty foods. Avoid junk food and fast food. Try to avoid junk and fast food such as pizza, burger, chips, cookies, pastries, chocolate, cold drink, etc. If you want to lose weight, these foodstuffs are also rich in empty calories. Intake of such foodstuffs lead to the condition of overweight. As you know, junk food and fast food is having saturated fat, and saturated fat is not good for us because it accumulated in the body and it will converted into um, cholesterol, so it is not good for health. Now, next point is avoid overeating. To control or maintain weight, you should not overeat. It means that you should eat food as per the requirement of your body. Suppose you require 2000 calories per day, then you should take the food that consists of only 2000 calories. If you take 2100 calories per day, the 100 calories will be accumulated daily as fat in your body. So you should avoid overeating. Next is don't eat smaller meals frequently. You should not form a habit of eating smaller meals frequently. So, avoid eating smaller meals frequently to avoid adding excess fat to the body. Next is avoid rich carbohydrate food. To lose weight, avoid rich carbohydrate foods, but it does not mean that you should not take carbohydrates at all. Carbohydrate is necessary to increase the level of energy. You should just reduce the amount of carbohydrate in your diet. For this purpose, try to avoid sugar, rice, potatoes, toffees, chocolates, and other sweets. Next point is don't skip meals. Don't skip your meals, such as breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you skip your meal, the next time you will definitely indulge in overeating, which may lead to obesity. Intake skipping meals increases hunger and it results in greater food consumption in the next meal that you take. Next point is regular exercise or physical activity. Exercise helps to control your weight by using up excess calories. On the other hand, if you do not exercise, the excess calories will be stored as fat. In fact, your body weight is regulated by the number of calories you take in and use each day. In reality, whatever you eat contains calories and whatever you do uses calories. When calories are used while breathing, sleeping, and digesting food, regular exercise or physical activity is a vital part of weight loss or weight control program for lifetime. Research studies consistently indicated that regular physical activity or exercise such as aerobic exercises and strengthening exercises for at least 30 minutes combined with healthy eating habits is the healthiest way to control weight for a lifetime. Whether you are making many efforts to lose or maintain it, you should never forget the significant role of exercise or physical activities. And the last point is balancing the intake of calories and expenditure of calories. For maintaining a healthy weight, you should always try to strike a balance between your intake of calories and expenditure of calories. For implementing this, try not to eat more calories than your body burns each day. Always stick to your eating plan even on the holidays or a function. If your intake of calories is more than what you need, the excess calories are stored as fat. Too much stored fat raises your BMI and makes it hard to return to your aimed weight. Lay stress on the following points for balancing the intake or burning of calories. You may take more calories than you required to do your day's activities. Your body stores the extra calories, and as a result of this, you gain weight. Next, when you take less number of calories than your expenditure of calorie, you lose weight. When you intake and expenditure of calorie remains same, your body weight will also remain the same. By laying stress on the above mentioned point, the healthy body weight can be achieved. It is usually said that you may lose your body weight for short period, but it is difficult to maintain it for a lifetime. Indeed, it requires a strong willpower, dedication, firm determination, persistent efforts, and motivation to control weight and maintain a healthy weight. So this is all about the methods to control healthy body weight. Thank you and have a nice day.